As COVID numbers continue to rise across the country and in our communities, there are some renewed concerns about the toll it's taking on hospitals.
Brittany Jeffers is live in Southwest Houston with a breakdown of the numbers in our area and the restrictions that could be around the corner. Brittany, good morning.
Good morning. Well, taking a look at those numbers, COVID hospitalizations in our region alone has been around the 15% threshold now for about 6 days. And according to Governor Abbott, if that number stays at or above for 7 days, that is when we could start to see some of those restrictions kick in. Hospitalization numbers climbing and restrictions could be looming. According to the Texas Medical Center, the weekly average of daily new virus hospitalization sits at 310 per day, the highest we've seen since the first week of July. For 6 straight days, hospitalizations in the region, including Harris, Fort Bend, and Montgomery counties, has been above the 15% mark. Governor Abbott says if we stay at or above that threshold for 7 days, reopenings must be rolled back. Mayor Turner weighed in on what this could mean for Houston.
That's the governor's mandate, that if it's 15% or more, the hospitals are COVID, and if it's for 7 consecutive days, then they must roll back. Restaurants must roll back to 50%, and bars should close. So that's the governor's mandate.
Meanwhile, the Food and Drug Administration is warning about the risk of false results, specifically false negatives with Curative's COVID-19 tests, which includes swabbing the inside of the mouth. The company lists more than a half-dozen testing sites in the Houston area. The FDA says the test needs to be done properly under the watch of a trained healthcare worker to reduce the risk of the wrong result.
People are taking these tests in some cases in their cars, and people are monitoring through a window, and sometimes you can't necessarily see every step of the process that's involved, and that could be having an impact on the result as well.
So something else that is important to note here, Brazoria, Galveston, Chambers County, they're in a different region. However, their hospitalization rate has been around the 15% threshold level since before Christmas, and they've already experienced some of those rollbacks. Reporting live this morning in Southwest Houston, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Brittany, thank you.